Alright, our next feature on the list is the AI chat assistant, right? So the AI powered chat assistant is one of Hopeway's standout features, right? So all you have to do is press the command / to open it from anywhere, right? So I'm going to do that, right? So, anyway, so it's accessible on the watch list page, inside page, the dashboard, analytics, network start, anywhere on the app. It's accessible, right? So unlike a basic chat, this AI has real-time access to live network data. So just watch and see, right? So for example, we can query it like for network. So I can say, how many P nodes are currently online? Right, so you see that you can see we have 256 match. It's just online, and then see it shows you the top left, and then you can ask it to show the next and show the next and show the next, right? So this is a start card with live numbers. These are not cached anyway. This is pulled directly from the Zandium network. And that we can say, we can ask it is show me the top 5 performance by all time. Right, so you can see that it's the AI generative matter table with actual node data ranked by the metric that you ask for, right? Exactly. You can also get something about the ebook information. You can say what's the current ebook and when does it? Current ebook is around 13, and we have less than 68.1% of the remaining time. So this is blockchain specific questions, right? The walkthrough, so you can show the progress and the time remaining of transactions, the block high, the absolute so and the absolute slot. Well, one thing we can do is ask it for some kind of interesting analysis. So for example, I can say which regions have the most P nodes. Okay, so these are analytical questions, right? So the AI does analytics, and then you can group by, because in there I showed you like when we were demoing the map here, I was showing like, we have North America, South America, North Africa, down Africa, Central Europe, and US, right? So yes, on the analysis, and we can figure out that it matches exactly what we have in our map, right? Which is Europe has the most nodes, right? In terms of concentration, and then we have US East. Since I incorrectly assumed that was I called it North America, whereas it is US East. And we have Asia Pacific, we have US Central, we have Europe, and then private. See, Africa is way below this thing in one sense, right? So for analytic questions, it processes geographic distribution and give you actionable insight. So based on this, you can now say, do you want more decentralization? You want to go to places like Africa, which are not really represented in the map or in the distribution and data, right? Places like Europe, US Central, West Europe, and maybe we want some private P nodes, you can also invest in that, or in North Europe, right? Yes, so often also you can also see their suggested prompt buttons. You can just say, I think we've done online P node, list P node. You can say, we can ask for show me the network, health, and statistics. You can see, okay, we have 257, 69, 257 P nodes and 256 are online. The network is around 69%, and capacity use is about 385 in terms of terabyte, and we have the average performance, right? And this is about network utilization. This is the capacity utilization of network. I mean, it's not really 0 and dot. It's very small at the moment, right? Because this is still a news. So for quick access, the chat includes from like network health, risk P nodes, online P nodes, right? One click gives you instant answers. This is powered currently by MR 3.0. So I tried to use GPT 4.0, but I thought it was costly because this is going to be a live thing, right? But it does not mean that it is bad. This works great, right? This is what good. So the tools are that and just over time make it easy to swap out what the models, right? If you want more information. Yeah, so complex analytics become as simple as asking a question. So often you don't have to be well versed in financial analysis or looking at charts and graphs. Just ask the AI some questions and it's going to give you. So if you forget anything, just say command / anytime to get answers, and the AI is ready to answer and help you with analysis.